Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everybody! Tied onto my wetsuit. Just goes on like that. Nope. It was pretty rough, but it sure felt good. Spreading the joy with all the surfers out there. They're all asking me what they wanted for Christmas, new surfboards, and the swarms went by, they wanted goggles and fins. It's pretty fun. But they're all happy, you know, everyone has a smile. You know, everyone's looking for a little joy right now, you know? No one thinks of Santa Claus as a surfer, so you see Santa surfing and actually riding waves. I think it's pretty fun to see. You know, it's fascinating to me just walking down, as you saw, going across the Strand. Everyone's stopping and wanting to get photos and this and that. It's such a magical thing. People just, you know, I think they get such happiness from this time of the year, Thanksgiving and Christmas and Santa Claus and everything that goes with it. And it just brings joy. It's really quite magical, I think.